I'm Shahnath back again with another video, and today in this video we'll be talking about interfaces in Dart, and we'll be discussing about what are interfaces and how we can implement it. And the most important thing is it is related with inheritance, and in the previous video I've talked about inheritance, and if you know inheritance you will be familiar with interfaces in Dart. So without further ado, let's get started. So I will create a new file into the folder. Oops. So clicking on the first icon will create a file, and we will just name it interfaces dot. So if you are from uh, Java, Android, or Swift iOS, then you can know that if we want to implement table view in Swift, you have to implement certain classes. If we don't need it, still we have to implement it. And in Android also, if you use list view or recycler view, we need to implement certain functions and classes so that it actually interfaces. Okay, and if you also don't need it, you still have to do it. Okay, so like this interfaces is also there in Dart. Okay, and what is the meaning of interface? It actually implements the rule of the certain class. Okay, and extends it actually, and in inheritance it actually extends the power of the subclass within the main class. So without further ado, let's create a class which is suppose card image, and then there is a method string use image, and then we will implement another class which is card text. There will be two things in the card, that is a card image and a card text. Okay, so we will implement the class card text, and within the card text we will implement the function string use text. Like this, it's very much clear to you guys, I guess. And after that, I'll implement a class name as card class, sorry, card class card. Okay, and then after that I need to implement the class card image and card text into the card class. Okay, so we have to write implements, and we have to write these two names. I will copy and paste like this, and you need to create this. See, there is a red tweaky line because we have not used this methods here. Okay, we have to define this methods into this class, else it will give me error. I have told you that you have to define some methods which you also don't need it, but you have to do it. Okay, so let's do it. Use image, done, and then use text. See, the red tweaky line is gone, and I hope you are understanding this. Okay, then now we want to implement this methods. So just I'll return that image is used, and in this one also same thing, return text is used. Yup, done. And after that I want to implement another thing. I want to implement the card. Okay, because I have to show the card, right? I can't show only the image and the text. I need to show the card also. So void print card, and the print card I want to show that card is present, suppose. Yup, done. Yeah, it's good to go. And then we'll, in the main method, we will just declare, we will just create the object of that class card and we'll use the properties. So let's do this, the main method, and then I will card and the object 1 equals to new card. Object is created with the name object 1, and then if I need to store that thing, I can use a variable, and then object 1 dot, I can use image for that, and I can print it. Similarly, I can use this also, that is use text, sorry, object 1 dot use text, like this. I can print it, and I can also print the void print card like this, object 1 dot print card, and put a semicolon. This is the main thing. Okay, so let's run this one. Let's zoom in. Yeah, let's go to the oops folder first, and then hit ls, or if you are in Windows then hit dir. Okay, I'm in Mac, and the Linux guys will use ls. Yeah. So where are the interfaces in Dart? I think I've created outside by mistake. Yeah, I've created outside, don't worry, I'm just dragging and moving here. So make sure that you are using this in the interfaces one, in the oops one, sorry. And then if I hit ls, you can get interfaces, then it's Control L to clear it, and then write dot space and the file name interfaces dot and hit enter. See, it image is used, text is used, and card is present. I've used all the three methods here, that's why you can see here. Okay, I've used different types of implementation using print, so that's why. And if I remove this, then you will get the output as only the last two, that is text is used and card is present. So this is the thing. So this is this much for this video, and I hope that you can learn something from this video. And remember, extend means to use the properties of the subclass in the main class, and in a return in interfaces, implements means to implement certain rules, okay, which we have implemented here. So this much for this video. I hope you have liked this video, and if you really like this video, go and hit the like button, subscribe our channel, because we'll be posting this content also, and I'll be posting content on Flutter also after this series. So stay tuned guys, and bye bye.